The Google Pixel 6 will pack a custom Tensor chip and come in two versions, Standard and Pro. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, there are two versions, promise to change everything we know about Google's phones. While there are still a few things we don't know, what has been confirmed and rumored is intriguing. And the biggest feature of all is a new system on chip called Tensor that is designed to provide the Pixel 6 series with a bunch of AI powers we haven't seen before. The Google Pixel 6 is based on Android 12 and its display size is 6.4 inches AMOLED, 90 Hz. This phone has 8 GB RAM and 128/256 GB storage capacity. Rear camera of Google Pixel 6 is 50 MP, wide, plus 12 MP, ultra wide, and front camera is 8 MP and the buitin battery is about 4614 mAh. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, there are two versions, promise to change everything we know about Google's phones.